Again, I'm Mitch, and for today, since malapit na yung Christmas, November na guys, so we will be doing red velvet cake. Okay, I'll show you how, what's my recipe of my red velvet cake. Okay, so kailangan November pa lang, if you want to kita sa December, kailangan mag-isip ka na kung anong pwede mo ibenta or kahit for bahay lang. Okay? So, let's start. I have here the ingredients. I have cake flour, red food color, vanilla extract, salt, cocoa powder, vinegar, baking powder, baking soda. I have 2 eggs, butter, granulated white sugar, and my sour milk. And then for the frosting later, I have cream cheese, confectioner sugar, and my whipping cream. Okay, let's start with the base first. Sa cake muna tayo. Okay? So, I have here stand-up mixer. I'm using paddle attachment. If you don't have stand-up mixer, okay lang yan guys. You can use your wooden spoon. So, creaming method tayo. It's butter and sugar first. Around mga 5 minutes. Oops, ayaw makulog ni sugar. And then after that, lagay natin si egg. Okay? It's always butter, sugar, and egg. Bakit tumigas ng aking sugar? Siguro basta ito. And then, I'm using unsalted butter. Cream natin to, medium speed, around 5 minutes. Okay? While nagki-cream siya, we can mix our dry ingredients. So guys, my baking soda and the 1 teaspoon vinegar, set aside natin, lagay natin siya later last. Okay? And then, let's mix our liquid ingredient. Sour milk. Slow down ko muna ha, para malinaw yung ano ko. I have here sour milk. You can make your own sour milk. That's 1:1. That's 1/2 cup milk plus 1/2 tablespoon of your vinegar. You can use apple cider, you can use distilled, or the ordinary vinegar. In here, I want to mix my cocoa powder and my red food color. Why? Para at least here pa lang, makita ko na if it's really red. Okay? If kulang sa pagka-red, you can add more color. And then this time also guys, use Dutch process na cocoa powder para hindi masyadong dark. Hindi ko nakita yung vinegar. Oh my God. I'm using Burial's cocoa powder, the premium. Okay? And then, I can add here my vanilla extract and my red food color. So, this is my liquid ingredient. This is my dry ingredient. Okay? Ang gulo-gulo ng aking mesa. If you can notice, light yellow in color. Then, we can add the eggs one at a time. Okay? Slow down. Dagdag na natin si dry and liquid. For this time, we will do dry, liquid, dry. Okay? Alternate natin. Why? Because the more you mix, kailangan last yung dry ingredient. The more you mix it, the more the flour will release gluten, the more matigas si cake. Pag ayaw nyo mag-ina, number 1 ka dapat. Guys, again ha, sour milk is 1:1. So if the recipe calls for 1 cup, 1 tablespoon ilagay. If the recipe calls for 1/2, 1/2 tablespoon. So this recipe calls for 3/4 cup. So 3/4 tablespoon. Okay. Don't forget your baking soda and your vinegar. Okay, bago natin ito ilagay. That's normal na mag-bubble siya. Meaning, active or buhay pa si soda. Yeah. Then, divide natin to siya into baking pans. I will be using napaka-messy ng red. I will be using 8-inch baking pan, okay? Dalawang baking pan. Preheat your oven around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake this one around mga 25 to 30 minutes, okay? While binibake natin si red velvet, you can start doing your cream cheese frosting, okay? For the cream cheese frosting, I have here Swiss Valley cream cheese, confectioner sugar. Your confectioner sugar is same with your powdered sugar or icing sugar. And my whipping cream, okay? So first, you whip first your cream cheese, tapos si powdered sugar or confectioner sugar. I'm using the whisk attachment dahil malambot na ang aking cream cheese. If it's still matigas, you can use the paddle or else madali masira yung whisk mo. Okay? Then, slowly add your whipping cream. I'm using Mona Lisa. You can use Bunch or any non-dairy whipping cream. Kunin mo natin sa ilalim ha. For this recipe, total cost is around 230 pesos to 250 guys. Okay? So for the whole cake, you can always sell it around 500. Kung mabibenta nyo ng mas mahal, mas mabuti. Yan, it's whipped already. Okay? So, set aside natin to. And then, wait na tayo kay cake. Kasi kailangan pa natin yung palamigin. Yan, our cake is done already. Tapos, pina-cool down ko na. Let's decorate! Okay. Your red velvet cake is best eaten on the 3rd day. So, chill mo muna to. Tapos, after 3 days, eat mo na siya. Huwag mo munang ubusin agad. You can also put chocolate ganache sa filling kung ayaw mo puro cream cheese frosting. Pwede yan. I have here red velvet crumbs. Food process ko. Food process mo or blender or ano yun mo. Basta maging tino siya. Okay. And after the crumbs, let's pie. I have here 1M tip or any star tip will do. Then you can chill this one. Para mas mag-set si frosting, tapos mas masarap siya after 3 days, okay? There you go, your red velvet cake ready for your holidays. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!